Can medical conditions affect an Illinois DUI test results?
They certainly can, and that's something that's often relevant in our cases, especially where there's not a blood draw or there's not a consented to breathalyzer test. There are different medical conditions, and I mean, there's far too many to name,
Right.
but there are medical conditions that the symptoms could, by and large, be confused with impairment. I mean, if you have a medical condition where you may randomly have seizures, or you may that can create erratic behaviors or appearances of impairment or things like that could be confused by a law enforcement officer. So we always, where there's a potential affirmative defense of a medical condition, I mean, we evaluate what the symptoms are and how well those symptoms match the allegations of impairment.
What happens if an Illinois DUI evidence is mishandled or lost?
Well, if there are evidentiary chain of command issues or chain of control, excuse me, if there are discrepancies with how evidence is handled by law enforcement after an arrest, then we can certainly challenge those through pretrial evidentiary suppression type motions before taking the case to trial.